guys, welcome back. So today we are going through the best products of 2021. So these are our top 3 products that sold for us personally in 2021 for my business. So as you guys probably can see, it's either on the screen or gonna be on the screen. We're gonna go through and show you. So as I talk on here, the other video is probably up, so you're already seeing what I'm seeing. So I started in 2020 keeping track of the products and how they did for different years and what my best product was, how much did I pay for it, how much did I make from it. So let's get started right away. We have 2 categories, and that is Amazon video links. So Amazon product links that I put in my YouTube video description, and then people click it and buy it. And then we also have my Amazon video reviews, people clicking and buying from that. So 2 separate things. So the number 1 item that sold for my links was something I bought in 2021 for $45. I ended up making $114 on it, so a nice little return. And that is this item right here. So I'm bringing it up for you guys. So it's this item here. At the time I paid $45, it's $25 now, so it's almost half the price from when I paid for. But this is the product, and I'll put all the links in the video description. So all the links to all this stuff is in the video description if you guys are interested. So this I got for our Mustang. I don't have my keys up here now. I still use it. It works great. Overall, I love it. So this was the number 1 seller from my YouTube channel, clicking the link to the Amazon product. So it's this key fob. We can go now to the number 2. I bought this item in 2020 for $295, and I made $74 so far. But this was the best that I've made. So just because I didn't make my money back yet, doesn't mean I won't. But this is just the best selling item of this year for that. So let's go ahead and show you. So I paid $295, as you guys can see, 2020, and it's now $305. So it's up a little bit in price. Its regular price is $349. It's actually down. So this is the number 2 best selling item from my YouTube video links. So yeah, that's crazy. By the way, I still use the monitor over here. I actually have 2 monitors, and I still use this as a spare monitor, but they're both linked to my computer. So I still use the monitor, and I still love it. It works great. So definitely it deserves the number 2 spot. Let's go ahead and go back to the number 3 spot. Number 3 spot is something I bought in 2019 for $62, and this year I made $72 on return, and it's my number 3 item from YouTube. And as you guys can see now, this item is $121 now. So I paid $62. I tell you, inflation, my goodness. Let's make sure we're still recording here. So yeah, $121 now, and this is the 3rd best selling item from my YouTube channel on Amazon. By the way, I still actually have it down as well right here. So I still use it. All 3 of my best selling items on YouTube, all 3 I actually still use. So they all 3 deserve the spots. Now let's go under my reviews. So when I talk about YouTube links, I'm talking about video reviews I make and upload on YouTube, and then in the video description I put an Amazon link to that product. That's called links. Now we're under Video Hub. Video Hub is when I make a product review, I upload that product review directly to Amazon, and then people order items on Amazon, and that's called my Video Hub. So just to kind of clarify a little bit. So let's see. The number 1 item from my Video Hub I paid $125 in 2020, and let's go and show you the item. Oh, and I made $460 in return. So I paid $125 last year, and I made $460 this year in return. So always how much I made that year, that's the total I made for that specific year. Not since I bought it, but that year, because we want to keep every year separate. So this is the item, and what did we pay? We paid $125 last year, and it's actually cheaper. Wow, that's surprising. It's a Ryobi 18-volt cordless Hedge trimmer. Now, I do want to say, I absolutely love this. I still use it every day. I still use it every year, every time we do our bushes and even some of our tree limbs that are thinner. This thing still works great, so it does deserve the #1 spot. All right, let's go ahead and check out the #2 spot. And again, all these links will be in my video description. #2 spot is an item I bought in 2021, $50, and I made $334 on it. And that is computer speaker right here, soundbar. So it's $49.99 and I paid $50, so the same, but you actually got a 5% code here if you order it as of this video. And it's a computer speakers. Now, I got the white version, and actually no, I have the black version and a white version. The black version I have with my custom build gaming system that's not in my office, but the white version I use for my gaming computer, and right there it is. This is it, right there. So I'm proud to say I still use it. So the #2 item, the #2 spot, I still use it. So far, all the items from the links in the hub are products that are the top 3 products that sold, and they're the top 3, the top items that I still use today. Isn't that pretty crazy? The same items that I use today are the top selling. Interesting. So let's go ahead and now go back to the third item. This is an item I bought for $105. That was with tax and everything. In 2019, I made $299 this year so far on this item, and it makes it in the #3 spot. And that is the Blue Driver Pro scanning tool. Now it's $120. So inflation, it went up. And this is the #3 best selling item. Sorry guys, gotta have some coffee. It's a little early, I'm tired. So yeah, this is the 3rd best selling item. And what this is, you plug it into your vehicle's OB port. I think it's 1996 or 97 vehicles and older, and newer, sorry. Does it say? It's not saying, but anyway, I'm pretty sure it's for 19... Oh, there it goes. You guys can check out the link and go from there, but it works on most 1997 and newer vehicles. But what you can do is you plug it in, and then you can read all kinds of different stuff on your vehicle's computer, and you can clear check engine lights, you can see what's wrong, and so much other stuff. I personally do not use this product anymore. It's an amazing product. I love it, but I've upgraded to a $400 item now. So the one I upgraded to has a screen and everything. So I don't use this anymore. I did use this for many years, and it definitely does deserve the #3 spot. So I am very glad that it's there, but I don't use it anymore. So as a bonus, guys, we can just go ahead and show you for last year. Last year, it's kind of funny, the #1 selling item for my links, and I don't have Video Hub up here because last year I wasn't doing it. This is the first year I did it. So last year, all we have is links, and the key fob was #1 last year. The key fob for links is #1 this year. Last year, my #2 was my Roku TV, and number 3 was a drone that I actually didn't pay anything for. So let me kind of go over some stuff for you guys a little bit to explain that. How can I not pay anything for something and make money on it? So there's 2 different ways. One, a seller sends me a product and I make a review video on it and it sells, so I actually didn't pay any money on it. I of course put the time in editing, uploading, and doing all that stuff, so my time is worth money, but I didn't actually pay for that product. Now there's also another way that I can make money on something that I didn't buy. So let's say right now you guys see we have this gaming monitor highlighted, and let's say you click that gaming monitor and you check it out, and then you scroll down. Actually, let's go ahead and actually bring up a page. So just to give you guys an idea, let's say you're looking at this and you're like, oh, yeah, that's kind of cool. Let's scroll to, oh yeah, these other gaming monitors, they look pretty cool. Oh, this one's cheaper. I don't really want to spend $300. I don't have to have the best one in the world. So I'm gonna click this one and I'm gonna check this out. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and buy it. Okay, so now you buy this monitor. Because you clicked and bought this from my link, so you clicked on the monitor that I linked to, you clicked on this, and then you went and clicked on another product that's related to the one that I linked to, I still get some credit from you buying this one, even though it's not the same exact one that I linked to. Amazon considers it, well, I drove the traffic originally, so Amazon's gonna give me some money for you buying this. I don't get as much if you would buy the other one, but I do get a little kickback. So if there's enough people that are clicking my link and then going and buying something else and it's, you know, of the same product, just a different one, if that makes any sense, then that would boost up the sales and that would become in my top 3 best-selling items. So yeah, I know it's a little confusing, guys, but it's not to me. So yeah, these have been the best top ones, and I love this. So I'm a data guy. I absolutely love doing this kind of stuff. I don't know what else. You guys probably see I gotta eat my peanut butter toast. Ooh, almost went on the floor there. Yeah, I got tons of papers and tons of stuff. I like data. I like keeping track of everything. It's fun. And yeah, so with that being said, I believe this ends this video for the top items my best items in 2021. It's funny because, as you guys can see, from 2020 versus 2021, I had one of the same items. The number 1 item was still the number 1 item a year later, but then the number 2 and number 3 spot were different items. And as you guys can see, for hub and links are different items too. Sometimes video hub and video links can actually match up, but I do probably 1,000% more sales through Amazon than I do from YouTube to Amazon, but I upload on both. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I will hit the like button, leave a comment, and I will keep doing these every year. I'm trying to think of other different things that I can do. I mean, like I said, I'm a data guy. I love the data. It's so much fun having data. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. If you watched this whole video, you are the best. I love you guys.